Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. Today on the channel, we're going to do a get ready with me. I've already got my primer, foundation, powder, and brows on. So we're going to do the rest on camera with some new stuff. Some of it's new, some of it's loved. We love the new, we love the old. We just love. Just a bunch of love. And today we're doing a look with the Nars Orgasm Rising palette. It is very pretty. And would you like to see some magic swatches? All right. I haven't done it in a while. I've been lazy, but here's some magic swatches. In 3, 2, 1, bam! All the way down here to all the way up here. It's a beautiful neutral palette. It's got some beautiful shimmers in it and some great mattes. It felt very silky. And I'm going to take this off my arm. And we are going to do a look with that. But I said there was other new stuff. I've been using this Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I'm in love. I had a bunch of points on Sephora's site, so I was able to afford to get this for a halfway decent price because it was expensive. I still paid a lot of money for it, but the bronzer is the best thing that I've had since my good old-fashioned Cover Effects bronzer that I've been using for fucking 3 years. So, and I don't really care for the highlighter that much, but this bronze is beautiful. And this is in the light formula. That's a little heavy. But it just looks so good. I'll put it under my jawline to help carve out a jawline to help minimize any other chins. Gonna put it on my forehead to warm it up. But this is just beautiful. Let me just blend that out a little. It just looks so natural. And I'm in love with this. I love it. I love some Charlotte Tilbury stuff, but I love that bronzer a whole lot. A whole lot. Whole lot. A lot. And I'm going to use a good old Trixie Mattel Just a Girl palette for my blush. Yes, I do have a Nars blush, but I don't want to use it. I'm using Nars eyeshadow today. And I'm going to go into this the lightest color. And it just roses up my cheek so easy. And it's such a natural look. I'm going to blend that out. I've been going for a little bit rosier cheek lately. What do you think? Do you think it's too much? I think it's a little, but I look at it in my regular mirror and it doesn't look like too much. I'm going to blend it out a little with my favorite duo fiber brush, which is great for blending my face. Let's get to the palette. This shirt likes to creep on me. Well, I creep, yeah. I keep it on the down low. Me and TLC getting down in the house. What? Yeah, I love TLC. I grew up in the 80s and 90s and the 70s because I'm old. But I love the TLC. And I don't want no scrubs neither. No scrubs. And I creep on the down low. Or is it downside? I don't know. Correct me if you will. Because I don't know everything. I'm going to go into this color right here. Picked up so easy on the brush. And it's a great crease color. And it blends out. Man, you know what? I've tried a couple of Nars palettes. And it just goes on so easy and soft. And it's such a silky formula. And people, yeah, it's not the most exciting color story, no. But I've been getting into some neutrals lately so I can wear some red lips, which my hairdresser, who is a goddess, she thinks that purple with red lips is like a clown, but I don't. Because I had that for my wedding. I had purple eyeshadow and red lipstick, and it worked. It worked, girl. It worked. So I'm going to go into this middle color, the shiny rosy orgasm color. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. That is a great shimmer. That looks beautiful. And it's such a great formula. I've tried this new medicine to help me with my sleeping. And it's an old antidepressant that is not very expensive. But I seem to be getting more sleep, but also weirder dreams. Like I keep having dreams where I can't remember where I parked my car. And I couldn't remember where I parked my car dream. And this time it was like my old friend Mike New was in it. I'm going to go into this color right here and go a little deeper on the lid. It's not much deeper. Plus I'm using the same brush, so it doesn't look any different really. It just looks like that color is migrated. I should have just picked up a new brush entirely like this one. Let's go into a darker color. Let's go into this dark brown shimmer. And deepen up the outside corner to give some depth for this eye look. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyway, so me and my friend Mike New had gone into a convenience store to get some fast food breakfast or something like that. And we go out and the car is missing. And we look all over for the car. I'm going to go into this color here. Put it on the lid. And so we're looking for the car. And he goes away and comes back and he's got a purse that was in the car. He's like, well, I couldn't find the car, but I found this person selling your purse over here. It wasn't like a fancy purse. It was just kind of a hippie bag with some flowers on it. But I was still so excited and grateful that he had found my purse in the dream. And I never did find the car in the dream. And then I woke up. It was weird. It was weird. Thug life. People stealing your shit. Eyeliner. I'm going to pause so you guys don't have to watch me put on eyeliner and mascara. I'll be right back. And voila. I have to tell you. I'm back, obviously. I have to tell you about this mascara. It is so good. It is the Telescopic Lift Mascara from Maybelline. No, it's from L'Oreal. And it's really good. It's got one part of the brush is for brushing the length. And then on the other side, it's got a comb to comb through the lashes, which really carries the mascara all throughout the lash. And it's really, really good. It's new. It just came out. So now we're going to do the mouth with my favorite neutral, which is Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in Seductress. And there we go. We've got a beautiful look with a really, I mean, this look is gorgeous. This Nars palette is super good. I highly recommend it. I love it. So beautiful. Have a great day or day of your choice. This Nars Orgasm Rising palette gets a thumbs up.